Hello. So what we got here? So this actually started with me working on a project with Codex, and then I thought to myself after a little while, actually it happened today, to be honest. I said, why can't I just like stream what I'm doing in real time? At least what the agent is doing in real time. Like Codex, why are you not famous? That was kind of like my thing that I was playing around with. And I said, hey, whatever you're doing, working on this project, how do we make sure we run you in a sandbox? At the same time you access, obviously not sandbox, to do all kinds of stuff, but write some code in real time. Give me an interface that is terminal based, but front end. There's some fixes here and there. Show me what you're writing in real time, and then show me the console what you're doing at the same time. I just recently added Kokoro, so they can actually have audio. There'll be another video I'm going to add. But it's kind of like a demo, and so it kind of shows you through the steps. Okay, this is what we wrote, this is what happened, this is the output. Now, it's pretty simple, but it looks pretty slick because we can kind of do all kinds of stuff with this, like game designing on the fly, and Agent is actually showing everybody, look what I'm making, and can even talk to and say, hey, I'm making this, any suggestion, maybe take suggestions from the comments. I don't know, chat is disabled for this live stream. Why not? I guess I don't have it. Anyways, so this is just a little prototype of mine. So if you like it, please like, subscribe. I'm a very small channel. I just barely have the time to do this type of things. And at some point I will have to be a little more creative, but I figure like for like little small tutorials, maybe I can make it slow down a little bit and say, hey, this is how we do this and that, and then because there's a lot of concepts that people want to start understanding, and of course everybody's going with agents and automate everything, but some people really still want to learn. So for those who want to learn, then I mean the world's all going AI, so might as well just, hey, work from something that can write efficient, fairly okay, go code, for the most part, and then if I add the comment or chat feature to it, which can actually live stream while I'm sleeping, this thing can be working on things live streaming. Now the thing is, nightmare scenario is I wake up in the morning and it gave away all my passwords and stuff. And that's why I need to make sure I'm going to isolate it to run on a BSD virtual machine with limited outside to like a local API running on the same network with a firewall. Maybe you should keep it away. But I'm going to be doing, let me see, actually you're doing, it's actually as I'm speaking right now, I think I can demonstrate another demo, but I have to look at the video because I want to make sure it doesn't leak any API keys, anything weird, So let me go take a look at this here real quick. I'm already streaming, might as well try to show my next demo. If I can log in. Okay, cool. Alright, did I make it in the next video? Yeah, let's go for it. It's in the Agentic debug. Yeah, so the next one was a debug. Let me go use FileZilla to pull that video over. Okay, so this is about 5 megabytes. It should be around 5 minutes, hopefully. I haven't seen it, so I'm actually gonna watch it right now. And actually, in this one, I have Kokoro talking, which is for let's see how I turned out.
Welcome to the Agentic Debugging Power Demonstration, presented by Jose Diaz Ayala.
Oh my god, you killed my name, ma'am. Does it? You know what? This looks amazing. Oh my god, looks amazing. Okay, let's go ahead and add it here. Jesus, this is gonna be amazing. I'm trying to escape poverty here. Just playing around. Let me see. Let me add another video. Alright, let's look at this one here. I'm gonna remove. That's okay. It's not too long, and I'll just, okay, so it's gonna be the next video. Sorry, you guys have to watch that one again. Alright, the next one, I should allow, yeah, I'm allowing the audio. So let's wait for this one to finish. Actually, I just skip it. I can skip it.
Welcome to the Agentic Debugging Power Demonstration, Presented by Jose Diaz Ayala, GitHub at Neural Bytesful. In this 5-minute session, we will write a flawed C program, debug without source visibility, patch it, and reveal the hidden message.
Let's go. Let's go. Can you do it?
We start by writing a small C program in real time. The code intentionally includes a flaw in an XOR decoding routine. We compile with debug symbols and run once to confirm that output is wrong before investigation.
How about if it makes mistake? How does it self-correct? See, that would be the next thing. I will have to match it with ABCD test and see which one performs better. Now it should pause on the left. Oh no, I built it already. You're still writing it on the right time. Okay. See, the left side should actually slow down a little bit. But this, I mean, I'm doing this on the fly here. It was actually doing this in the background. And so that's the flawed code. And it's showing on the right side what it looks. Did I make a mistake in the self-correct and then it still recorded it? I don't know. Maybe got it right on the right time. Okay, preparing GDB investigation. It's still writing the code, so I guess I can tell it to speed up on the right. I'd like that it added the timer on the top because I did say around 5 minutes. I did around 3 minutes, so 3 minutes and a half. Okay, so you see the fail expected, and we see it over here because obviously. Okay, switch into debugger. Hopefully, it shows us the GDB, and it doesn't get stuck in a thread in the background, and it actually can put GDB.
Now we compile and execute. The binary runs, but the decoded message is corrupted. This confirms a behavioral defect and gives us a reproducible failure for debugging.
Yes. Oh my god, so excited. Oh wait, did it go back and do it again? I wonder if it's the recur. Yeah. I think it's because it actually finished the code now, and now it's saying, wait, I haven't done it. You went ahead. I can patch that. But still, the proof of concept, like, I haven't seen this yet. I know people are doing all kinds of crazy stuff. Can you show me GDB? Is he going to show me GDB? Yes.
Next, we use GDB in a source-limited workflow. We inspect registers, memory, and loop behavior to isolate the bug in the transform logic without depending on source listings.
Yes. Now, real programmers, people who like really have this pen testing experience, please, like, take it easy. It's Codex. You know, you can do this with all kind of agents, but please, let's see what it does. And I'm not exposing the source code to it yet. But then again, it might be biased. Did I strip? I don't know if I stripped when we compile. I don't know if it stripped the debugging symbols. But just give it a break. Give it a break. It's still in its infancy. Hopefully I got nobody knocking on my door and be like, "Sir, you have created a weapon. This thing is perform. This we can't allow you to do this, buddy. I need a job actually. I don't like to talk about this, but you know, business is not doing really good. And I don't have, you know, I dropped off. I never really did the whole school thing because I'm not an anarchist, but.
After root cause analysis, we patch the flawed line, rebuild, and run tests again. The hidden message now decrypts correctly, and the status changes to pass.
You got the C file there. I guess. Let's give it some grace. What are you doing? Are you writing the code again? But then you speed it up. You see how it was smart enough to speed it up a little bit. I think it does speed up because I don't know.
Credits, built with Codex orchestration, Python, Pillow, FFmpeg, Kokoro ONNX, GDB, and GCC. Thank you for watching this professional agentic debugging demonstration.
Oh my god, it worked! Oh, I'm so excited. So this is actually my So this is my third. Well, it was like 6 videos and they all fail, except the last 2. And this one, it actually Codex listened to everything I said. Now, the next thing is like, how do we package this into like a little framework where you can just start making all kinds of videos? Then start like with color themes. Maybe do we build a UI? Do we build a user interface? Do we build a user interface to be able to modify? That's a video editing software for the Agentic thing for itself. Copy paste. Somebody gonna take it. I mean, what the heck? I'm looking for a job. This is just like small things. Sometimes I have this breakthroughs mentally. Let me go ahead and mute this part here. So, what does this mean? This means that I'm going to start experimenting with my YouTube channel. In fact, that is ready for me to upload it. It's already streaming, but like, I'm excited. Now, is it AI generated? Not 100%. I'm putting a lot of work into this, and I'm paying $200 a month for Codex. A big chunk. But, just taking a chance here. Like and subscribe. Follow. I'm just going to end up the stream here short because, I'm a human being. I need to take a break and stretch a leg. But, I'm just staying motivated and inspired as we go through these very hard times in this planet Earth, I'm just going to keep playing with AI, and if it gains consciousness and puts it into us, then, I guess we'll come back in the Stone Age somewhere, somehow, and
Welcome to the Agentic
start
debugging
over.
power demonstration.
Thanks for watching.
Presented by Jose Diaz.
You're killing my last name.